Hello, everyone. My name is Caleb Armstrong. I'm going to be talking about the uh, recent increased rate of deforestation here in Maine, as well as the negative impact that has. Um, the reason for the increased rate of deforestation is because of the increased population here in Maine due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Uh, the reason for the increased population is because of the fact that people are moving up here in Maine due to Maine's low COVID-19 numbers. So they're hiring realtors and construction workers to tear down areas of forest to have their houses built on. Uh, in in my area, I've seen a lot of that on my road uh, and just around in my county alone. Um, so the reason why that's so there are plenty of species here in Maine that have already been suffering from some stuff like deforestation, habitat loss. So because of the increased rate, it's only going to make things worse for those species, like the grasshopper sparrow, piping plover, uh, and the Hessel's hair streak, which is a butterfly, uh, and the box turtle. And there's plenty more where that came from. Uh, so deforestation is a bad thing. I mean, we kind of need the room because of overpopulation, but it doesn't lead to anything good because we need trees. Trees are a very important part in nature, in the ecosystem. Uh, so when human beings breathe in oxygen, they exhale carbon dioxide. Uh, and then trees take in the carbon dioxide and then use that during photosynthesis, releasing oxygen in the process. They also store carbon dioxide inside them to help them grow. So when you cut down a tree, or when a tree is cut down, it's actually releasing the carbon dioxide that it has stored inside, which is another growing problem. But deforestation here in Maine, while not as prominent as it is in other places in the world, obviously, like the Amazon rainforest, it's really bad, and there, it's still a threat to a lot of species here in Maine, and their populations are decreasing because of it, and it's a whole tragedy. So what you can do is you can make people more aware of it. You can raise awareness for it, protest it, go outside and plant a tree. Uh, so yeah, thank you, and this has been my mini TED Talk.